Dear Unitarian Universalists, the island of Montreal was lived on by the Indigenous peoples like the Kanien'kehá Mohawk long before cities and churches were built. Saying that matters, but if we stop at words and don't change how we live, it can become something we say instead of something we do. It can make us feel like we've done our part, even while harm continues all around us. If we really want to talk about who this land was taken from, we need to go deeper. Humans didn't just take land from other humans. We took it from animals. Animals lived here first. They had homes, families, and lives of their own. As humans spread, animals were pushed out, trapped, hunted, and later farmed. That didn't stop in the past. It's still happening every day. Think about chickens. Chickens used for eggs are kept in crowded spaces where they can barely move. Their babies are taken away. The males are killed shortly after birth because they can't lay eggs. When the hens' bodies wear out, they are killed too. Think about the pigs. Pigs are as smart as dogs. They love their families, feel fear, and scream when they are hurt. In farming, they're confined, separated from their babies, and sent to slaughter while still young. And cows in the dairy industry suffer deeply. Cows only make milk after giving birth, so they are repeatedly made pregnant. Their calves are taken away, which causes clear distress to both mother and baby. When cows' bodies can no longer produce enough milk, they are killed. As Unitarian Universalists, we say we believe in kindness, fairness, and that everything is connected. If that's true, then animals cannot be left out. Compassion that stops at humans isn't complete compassion. Respect for life means caring about what happens to chickens, pigs, cows, and animals, all animals, especially when their suffering exists for our convenience. So here's our call to action. No animal products should enter Unitarian Universalists' buildings. Our coffee hours and potlucks should reflect our values with soy milk, oat milk, and other vegan options only, and food that is fully plant exclusive. This isn't about being perfect or judging others. It's about honesty. If we truly stand for justice and love, then our shared space should be places where animals are protected, not harmed.